Hi everyone, I'm Zena, founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. So the weather is wacky. We have had the hottest 4 days in the world's history, recorded history. And regardless of anything, we have to keep ourselves well. We have to keep ourselves hydrated. We have to keep ourselves healthy, and we have to keep ourselves, our immune systems up. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the transition from iced tea season to hot tea season, because that transition is getting pushed back further and further. In California, where we live, it is super hot all the way through October, sometimes November. It doesn't start getting cold sometimes into January. So what I want to do is show you a few different ways that you can increase your immune system. You can help yourself stay hydrated, healthy, and well in iced tea season and hot tea season. So here's like the weird thing, right? So we go from like Cosmic Garden, we've got like elderberry hibiscus iced tea, we've got, you know, all these like fruity flavors, blueberry lavender mint, green grape yerba mate. It's like summer, summer, summer. Pineapple and coconut, and then it's like, bam, it's pumpkin spice season. And pumpkin spice season now, like some places are starting it in August. It's like 110 degrees and all of a sudden it's like cozy pumpkin spice season. It's kind of weird and wacky, but whatevs. I mean, pumpkin spice, I mean, we all need the comfort. What does it symbolize to us? Gratitude, comfort, fall, cozying in, even if it's 100 degrees out. So I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice iced latte. And the one thing about store-bought, cafe-bought pumpkin spice lattes is they have way too much sugar. They have too much sugar, they have preservatives, they have a bunch of crap in them. And what I want you to do is keep yourself healthy and well from the transition from summer into pumpkin spice season. So you can do it on ice. So this is our cold steep elderberry hibiscus. This makes a great immunity tonic. So you can have this on ice all the way up to pumpkin spice. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a fireside chai pumpkin spice latte. And what you want to do is, instead of doing store-bought pumpkin spice, I want you to make it at home. And I want you to enjoy the benefits of the freshly blended tea, the pumpkin spice. This is amazing. And I just want to show you how that looks, right? There's these huge chunks of orange, there's cardamom, there's clove, there's rooibos, there's ginger, there's cinnamon from Sri Lanka, which is the most medicinal, helps balance blood sugar. Look at that gorgeousness. So you can have that, or you can have a concentrate that you bought at a national leading chain, and you're not going to get the immunity boost from that. So here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to steep the pumpkin spice hot. I do not cold steep these because you want to extract all the volatile oils out of the spices. The thing about cinnamon is it really helps balance your blood sugar, and there's a lot of volatile oils in cardamom, as well as orange peel and clove and ginger. And you want to extract all of that. Look how beautiful that is already. So all of our pumpkin spice flavors, we have like a chocolate rooibos one, which is yummy. We have a caramel apple oolong, which speeds up your metabolism. We have a marzipan white, which is an almond cream silver needle white tea with pumpkin spices. The thing about spices is that they help increase your immune system, increase your circulation. They're anti-inflammatory, all the health benefits you get. If you're buying it made out of a pre-made syrup at a cafe, you're not getting all those health benefits. So as you're transitioning from summer into fall, you can make this, I mean, you can make this hot or cold, but I'm going to do it cold because it'd be a little weird to have a super hot pumpkin spice latte on a 110 degree September day. What? Okay, so there's that. So you can steep it extra strong. I even sometimes will steep these on the stove in the milk directly. You can allow that to cool. So I'm going to get some ice. And you can do this in your to-go cup so that you're not spending $5 or $6 or $7 on a store-bought pumpkin spice iced latte with non-organic milk and sugar and all the bad stuff. So set that there. So how am I going to sweeten my pumpkin spice latte? There are several options. One option is to use agave syrup. Agave syrup is a little better for you than honey. The other option, which I'm going to use today, is maple syrup. Maple syrup, nothing says fall other than the unfiltered raw maple syrup. You can also use honey, which also helps boost your immune system. But I love the flavor of maple syrup in my iced lattes in the fall. And I use maple syrup a lot to make hot maple pumpkin spice lattes as well. So basically you've got your tea concentrate and all you have to do is throw it on ice. Look how beautiful that is. And then it's already pre-sweetened. Then you just use cold milk, and this is regular organic cow's milk, but you can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk. How gorgeous is that? And then I tend to top it off with a little more tea because I love the flavor of tea. If you want to make it extra fancy, say you're like, you know what? I like sugar. I want more sugar in my life. I need a little, at least a little if I'm giving up my Starbucks. You can go like this. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you have a little bit of sugar. Celebrate. Okay, and then you can take pumpkin spices and you can sprinkle a little on the top. And look at that. I mean, healthy, happy, better immune system, low in sugar if you use sugar at all, and probably cost you about 50 cents when a pumpkin spice iced latte at a leading cafe chain would cost you between $5 and $6, maybe $7, depending on how you make it. And it's freaking delicious. And you're getting the fresh spices extracted. You're getting all the health benefits, all the polyphenols, all the essential oils from the cinnamon, which helps balance blood sugar. You're getting all of that fresh. This is better for you. This is a better way to transition from iced tea season into iced pumpkin spice season during hot weather. And then you can make them hot when it starts getting cold. And it's so freaking good. I forgot how good this tea is. I haven't had it since last fall. Oh my God. It's only July here, but I'm ready. I'm ready for it. I think pumpkin spice season just started for me. That is like delicious.
Yeah, that looks good.
It is so freaking good. I forgot how, man, that's good.